मैंने ये इतनी सारी रील्स देखी हैं जहाँ पे पीपल आर डूइंग 10 स्टेप 12 स्टेप 14 स्टेप रूटीन्स, तो मैं तो 2 स्टेप के बाद थक जाती हूँ. Skin is the largest organ on our body.
Film industry, you know, you have to enhance your look. We know many celebs who have got that done.
जब आप किसी को किस करने भी जाओगे तो उसको लगेगा वो प्लास्टिक किस कर रहा है या बोटॉक्स किस कर रहा है. Now I'm going to make my glow recipe, but अगर थूक अप्लाई कर सकते हो तो ये भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो.
But that's not a glow recipe.
Oh, it's not.
Hi Glow fam! Welcome to the next fresh episode of Skin Coffee with Ghazal, where we don't just talk about skincare, we understand what truly works and what's just the hype. Skincare today is confusing. Every week there's a new trend, a new ingredient, a new must-have product. And somewhere in all of this, we have stopped understanding our own skin. Today's episode is a reality check on skincare trends because honestly, there's too much information and not enough clarity. And to break this down, I have someone who brings a very unique global perspective, creative force who has worked across multiple languages and had traveled globally. Someone who has experienced beauty standards not just in India, but across cultures. Welcome, Niharika.
Thank you, Ghazal. Thank you. That's so sweet the way you introduced me.
Niharika, I just heard that you shot for a film named Mercy.
Yes.
Can you tell that what is that film all about?
So, you've heard of a concept of Ichha Mrityu. Normally people go to Switzerland because in India this is not allowed. So we have based this movie on that concept. And what is amazing is कि अभी बस मार्च में ही हरीश राणा का एक केस हुआ था जहाँ पे पहली बार हिंदुस्तान में इच्छा मृत्यु को अलाउ किया गया, जो हमारे देश में वैसे पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो हमारी फिल्म में आपको एक परिवार की कहानी दिखेगी. हमारी मम्मी कोमा में है, जो मेन जो पर्सन है, और कैसे बेटे को ना एक फिर चॉइस लेनी पड़ती है कि वो मम्मी को जिंदा रखे कि मम्मी को जाने दे. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट चॉइस.
So now, मतलब अपनी मर्जी से now you can.
So it is one case, but we don't know. But एक चीज़ ज़रूर है, because of the film, people have started talking about it. Okay. अब जाके लोग और भी बात कर रहे हैं कि ये होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए. तो और you can't imagine कितने families आके मुझे अपनी stories बताएं.
Okay. So did you ever feel that you didn't belong to any one place? Because you keep traveling globally.
Yes, I feel I'm a very global kind of a person, but I belong to certain places because मेरा दिल वहाँ पे है.
Yes.
एक जगह है कोटा, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. एक जगह है दिल्ली, जो आपको भी बहुत पसंद है. और मुझे न्यूयॉर्क बहुत पसंद है. तो ये 3, और ऑब्वियसली जहाँ मैं पैदा हुई हूँ मुझे लक्समबर्ग भी बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा मुझे पेरिस पसंद है क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंच हूँ. In my attitude, in my aura.
Okay. So do you think that because you have traveled globally, so do you think कि सब countries का मतलब globally जो trends है, beauty standards है, वो different है?
बिल्कुल है. यहाँ जैसे हिंदुस्तान में हम लोग काफ़ी enhanced ब्यूटी को ज़्यादा देखते हैं, लेकिन अब वो ट्रेंड भी मिनिमलिज्म की तरफ जा रहा है. बाहर क्या है कि इट इज़ क्वाइट मिनिमलिज्म, लाइक मिनिमलिस्टिक इन दैट सेंस. फैशन भी मतलब इट कैन ऑल्सो बी क्वाइट एग्जिबिशनिस्ट. बहुत कम कपड़े पहनते हैं बाहर. ऐसे ऐसे कट्स हैं जो हिंदुस्तान में अगर पहन लिए तो तौबा हो जाएगी. Like it'll be mad. तो ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड वाइज ऑल्सो यहाँ पे कुछ जगहों पे वॉलप्चुअस ब्यूटी को पसंद करते हैं, स्पेशली साउथ में, बिहार में, यूपी में. और बाहर बिल्कुल ज़ीरो साइज, लाइक स्टिक. मतलब देयर इज नो फीमेल ब्यूटी टू द फीमेल. You know,
you have come from a strong background. So was that journey easier or more pressurizing that you have to be that way?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ प्रेशर नहीं होता, बट इट्स डेफिनेटली अ स्ट्रगल. मतलब इट्स ऑलवेज इट्स अ बिट ऑफ अ स्ट्रगल. कुछ खुद करने का अगर जो जज्बा होता है ना, वो वैसे ही काफ़ी बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
So was acting always on your plate? or you discover it unexpectedly?
No, it very मतलब मैंने उसकी तरफ हर चीज की है.
Okay.
लोग
So it was
सोचते
always on your
थे,
plate.
always on my
Yeah.
plate. लोग मुझे देख के कहते थे maybe I'll become a singer, maybe I'll become a dancer, but I always knew I wanted to be a actor.
So did you, as you had traveled, globally, so did you feel any pressure कि एक culture अलग है and then I have to adapt to other culture?
Very
So,
much.
Yeah.
जब मैं लंदन में थी तो आई हैड टू अडेप्ट टू द लंदन वे ऑफ लाइफ. जब
Yeah.
मैं लक्समबर्ग में थी तो मेरा ड्रेसिंग सेंस, मेरा जनरल बिहेवियर चेंज हो जाता है. यू नो,
Yes.
इंडिया में आती हूँ तो अलग सा एक मेरा एथनिक वेयर में कितना पहनती हूँ. यहाँ पे
Yes.
साड़ीज, कुर्ताज, मतलब इवन फैब इंडिया जो बेसिक
Yeah.
कॉटन की जो चीज़ें होती हैं, सिंपल खादी का. एंड देन न्यूयॉर्क में तो बहुत 7 inches हील्स के नीचे हम लोग निकलते ही नहीं. Like it's always,
So
it's
is it
always
exciting
fashion.
or overwhelming?
I love it.
love it.
I love it. Like I think it's a privilege, नहीं? It's a privilege कि मतलब एक तो मुझे हर जगह जाने का मौका मिलता है, that's a privilege. फिर उस जगह का फैशन और ब्यूटी अडॉप्ट करना, that's also a privilege.
So do you think that India is more trend driven as compared to the other countries?
For sure, क्योंकि यहाँ पे फैड्स आते हैं. मतलब कभी कभार कुछ चीज़ का फैड आता है, फिर यू नो it is very trend driven. इंडिया का जो पॉपुलेशन है, especially in Delhi, मुंबई में जैसे जो हमारे आम, हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि हमारे स्टार्स भी आम कपड़े पहन के निकल जाते हैं रोड पे. यू नो, बहुत सिंपल. सलमान खान को देख लो, he'll be simply dressed, you know. फिर भी उनका ब्रांड जो है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक वो है. बट न्यू दिल्ली में आप बाहर निकलोगे ना नाइट लाइफ में, इन जनरल अ गर्ल विल नॉट बी ड्रेस्ड normal, like she'll be dressed for a red carpet.
Yes.
Every night. Every night. That requires
I mean,
effort.
you see them in winters. Oh my God.
With boots and
Boots
fur.
and
I just went to a incredible fashion show in Delhi. Okay. You should have, the models were nothing in comparison to the audience. The audience was more interesting to look at than the models. So it was quite.
So,
It was
do you
quite
think
amazing.
that globally people are more confused about skincare, or it is just a social media trend here?
I think everywhere people are confused. मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसे इंटरनेशनल में ज़्यादा confusion है. इनफैक्ट इंटरनेशनल में ज़्यादा confusion होने के ज़्यादा chances हैं because there are more products.
Yeah.
हम लोग जानते थे Huda को, then Fenty came, and then Estee Lauder was there, Dior was, good brands were already there, but people need to be educated on what is good for their skin. So you need to stick to brands which enhance your glow, internal glow.
Yes.
And that is why you need to try, but then when you find what works for you, you should stick to it.
Right.
And India में ना Ayurveda, natural चीजें भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
Yes.
मतलब that is also something really amazing.
Yeah, but I think जैसे you are following different cultures, you traveling globally. So I think, are you following the trends also? कि ये country का ये trend है, so I have to follow this. Are you attracted towards the skincare trend there?
Personally, no, because मैं बहुत I like to do as little as possible. Less is more for me
Like
in
CTM
general.
only.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I believe in rose waters. I believe in natural packs. I believe in all Indian based products mainly. But now you'll see all the Western brands are taking the Indian ingredients. You'd be surprised. उनके ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं.
Yes. Because I know that because we have our products placed in Delhi stores.
Yes.
And a lot of foreigners, Europeans, they are moving towards natural. They buy a lot.
Yes.
So they like natural.
I think trends, too much chemical now.
Now they avoid
being avoided.
Yes.
And you know, all these natural sort of mulati and rose waters and turmeric.
Yeah, wild turmeric.
It's really in. Plus, in the East, Far East, Japanese and Korean skincares, for example, that was a fad.
So even if you see na K-beauty mein, they have Centella. That is Coca-Cola only. It's the Indian hub only, na? Then they have promoted it like that. Yeah, लोगों को नहीं पता because they have named it in such a way.
Yes.
So because they have started promoting it in such a way.
है तो अपना
है तो अपना ही yes. तो सारी चीजें है तो अपनी ही. So even that rice water वो क्या है, हम जब राइस को 12 घंटे रखते हैं तो वो फर्मेंट हो जाता है. That is a fermented rice water.
बिल्कुल.
So वो है तो इंडिया का ही ना, मतलब हम भी तो राइस को सोक करके हम तो उसको उसमें काम लेते थे ना, कपड़ों पे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, स्टार्च के लिए
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यूज करते थे.
सो बेसिकली वी नो एवरीथिंग.
हाँ, Indian old beauty beliefs are coming back today, in today's time.
So before we dive into our today's topic, that is trends, have you heard of any skincare trend in 2026?
You'll have to name a couple for me and then I'll tell you.
So like trend like glutathione.
Yes.
And collagen. Then you can red light.
So I believe
Blue
in
light.
I believe in glutathione, and I think red light is really good.
Okay.
I personally think it's good.
Have you used it?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
And I think it's very helpful, great for anti-aging.
Okay.
So I believe in those trends.
So what is the most overrated trend right now?
Botox, like overall, but I don't know if that
Botox.
comes as a trend, but overtly pumping yourself up, that trend which started,
Yeah.
it is too much. It's changing the faces of the women who are naturally beautiful.
Yes. Yes.
So I feel that trend is overhyped.
That also comes from pressure, you know, because everyone wants to look good.
And everyone's
when
doing
you are
it.
into that space, that pressure makes you do that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Big actresses have gone on record to say, हम लोग नहीं करते if people around us were not telling us to do it.
Because if for everything, like right now, you know, I was seeing one podcast. जो guest थी वो she was into this beauty and all. She was recommending, you know, host को कि you have lines here, so you can work on that, you can apply. So when people say you like this on camera, on TV, so you feel like a pressure to look that
certain way.
Yeah, a certain way.
So people are pressurized into
Yes.
taking this and
Yes.
getting their beauty standards according to the norm.
Yes.
लेकिन जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा है, you have to do what works for you.
Right.
कुछ लोग करते हैं कुछ चीजें
Yes.
and it makes them look 100 times better.
Yeah.
It transforms them.
Yeah.
But everybody cannot have that same procedure.
Right.
It won't look good on them.
Yes. So have you heard of skin cycling?
Not really.
Okay. So skin cycling is basically when you go to dermat or they exfoliate first. Then first day they exfoliate, second day they apply retinol. And then they give a break of 2 days. And then they start with hydration and other therapies. So skin gets time because retinol se peel hoga, exfoliation se peel hoga. So that is skin cycling. So skin cycling and layering actives. So do you think that are we complicating skincare?
I think they've overcomplicated it a little bit.
Yeah.
लेकिन जब severe वो होता है, burn होता है, मान लो severe skin tanning होती है, it can be useful as well, but it has to be at that level, right? आपको it's like if I was shooting in 45 degrees for 25 days straight, and I was always exposed to the sun.
Yeah.
I can consider undergoing something like that only because I know I require it. But on a day-to-day basis, when I'm applying my sunscreen, when I'm at home, when I'm not shooting like that in harsh conditions, and I'm still getting all these procedures done, it's a little extra. And we don't need to complicate skincare that much.
So even people are damaging their skin barrier by using too many actives on their face.
Yes.
Hyaluronic भी use कर रहे हैं, विटामिन सी भी यूज कर रहे हैं, सेरामाइड सीरम भी यूज कर रहे हैं. दे आर कंफ्यूज व्हाट टू यूज.
हाँ.
तो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट कि हमारी स्किन के लिए ये बेस्ट है?
I think it's good to connect with people like you and people who know कि क्या हमारे स्किन को चाहिए. Like मैंने ये इतनी सारी रील्स देखी हैं जहाँ पे people are doing 10 step, 12 step, 14 step routines. तो मैं तो 2 स्टेप के बाद थक जाती हूँ. I'm just telling you in general about myself. मतलब पुराने जमाने में, sorry to say this, लेकिन लोग उठ के थूक लगाते थे अपने चेहरे पे.
Yeah, even I do that.
You know, I mean,
I do that when you have acne on your face.
Yes.
I still do that.
So and that works.
That works.
अब जाके आप 12 स्टेप करोगे and you still have a zit.
Yeah.
Like it's like confusing, you know,
Yes.
कि इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी I believe in general philosophy है less
Yes.
is
Yeah.
better, less is more.
Yeah.
तो वो concept पे चलना ही means that you don't do something which is over. Plus जो health और beauty जो glow है ना, it is 80% from the inside.
Agree.
So you need to eat, consume the right things, you know, so that the glow truly comes out.
Yes.
You can only achieve a certain amount from the outside, you know. But I think 12 step is a bit too much. You can
So
go
according
less.
to you, more products are not better for your skin.
No, because you're confusing the skin barrier also, na? But there are some things which complement each other. Again, I would always like them to refer to a medical expert or a dermat or a cosmetologist, somebody who is trained,
Yeah.
and you've got yourself consulted by them.
Yes.
And if you want to go simple, then जो आपके घर में जैसे लोग ना अंडा या फिर तेल या फिर
Yeah.
मुल्तानी मिट्टी यूज करते हैं, उसका पैक बनाते हैं कभी कभार हफ्ते में 1-2 बार. नींबू, जैसे
Yeah.
अगर आप ज्यादा नींबू भी इस्तेमाल करो स्किन पे,
Lemon
तो
is not good for your skin because it is an acid.
Yes, it can ruin your skin.
Yeah, it can burn your skin. It can ruin your skin. It is. I'll never recommend that.
But people do
People
all
are
sorts
doing
of
that
things.
because YouTube पे काफी सारे लेमन के होम रेमेडीज है, DIY है.
हाँ जी.
तो they are confused कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. Because everyone who makes a video, they say this will work. What does? So now you're confusing.
The
There are a lot of
audiences.
confusing videos over the internet. Now, as a lame person, it's difficult to find out which is really to trust on.
So I'd still trust the educated cosmetologists, dermatologists, the
Yeah.
medically trained guys. I still trust them quite a bit.
But there's again a twist here. When you go to the dermats, when you go to the cosmetologist, they will never recommend you to use anything natural. They will always ask for chemical peels, chemical treatments like AHA, glycolic, you know.
बिल्कुल.
So, like with me, I'll never. I think हमें इंटरनेट पे काफ़ी आजकल गूगल पे यू कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ ChatGPT nowadays. You can research about the ingredients in general. And then I think that is the right way. Then you are educating yourself कि क्या ingredient किस चीज़ के लिए वर्क करता है and मेरी स्किन को क्या ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
Then you can choose your product. This is okay. My skin requires barrier support, so I'll look for a product which has a ceramide in it. So that is a right way to choose the product instead of taking a lot of actives, lot of serums with different actives, and then you end up harming your skin.
Absolutely. But I would still say stick to 60% natural as much as possible,
yeah.
and 40% chemical.
Chemicals.
I mean, chemical
Because
is,
ceramide is not a chemical.
it's adding on to your skin barrier.
Adding on to your
So,
skin barrier, yes.
You know, and sometimes now they have different vitamins, different minerals,
Minerals, yes.
all of that as
yes.
well.
Yeah.
But you should see how your skin reacts.
Yeah.
You know, 1-2 हफ्ते के बाद how it's looking, that is also something you should feel also good
Yes.
about it. तो उनके साथ कंसल्ट करके बात करके you should also examine yourself. You know?
Yeah.
देखो कि ये मेरे लिए काम कर रहा है कि
इनफैक्ट
नहीं.
दादी नानी भी काफी अच्छे नुस्खे दे देती है.
बिल्कुल, I believe in those.
Yes.
मैं तो I'm a very natural, to be very honest, I'm a very natural, simple kind of a girl.
Kind of a girl.
And I like to keep it like that, you know. And
Yeah.
so far, touch wood, my skin is nice, you know.
Yeah.
And I don't need to go through all these very
Yeah.
complicated
Yes.
procedures.
So do you think that ingredients आजकल people are getting obsessed with the ingredients like niacinamide, retinol, so which are harmful for the skin. तो ये obsession को कैसे कम किया जाए?
लोग जो natural products निकाल रहे हैं, I think they should just be promoted more. You know, so if for example, if you're promoting some natural creams and natural products, then we should promote those more.
Right.
And सबसे important I feel is sunblock. Like I really believe in sunblock.
Right.
So the right sunblock is also very important. I think in general, because people sometimes don't even apply any creams and they go out into the environment, and the skin is the largest organ on our body. We really need to prevent any harm to it from the environment, from the exposure to the sun and from the harsh pollution.
Right.
So we should work together with people who have a natural way of solving the problems
Right.
and protect ourselves from the pollution and the sun
Pollution and
damage.
sun damage. I think
But in a
sun
natural way.
protection is very important.
Sunblock is a must.
It solves your major skin issues.
Yes. Using pure niacinamide and pure, this is too harmful.
No, niacinamide is basically for your pigmentation only.
But just not going over the top.
Not going
That's
over.
all.
But when your skin requires some treatment, you have to do that.
You have to, but not over the top. That's my point.
Yes,
Just keep it minimalistic. That's all.
Right. So I came across research data when I was going through the trends and all. And it was really interesting when I'll tell you that around 59% people prefer natural or clean skincare. And more than 50% actively check ingredients before buying. But at the same time, around 45% people are using active-based serums. Okay. Active means like hyaluronic, niacinamide and all. Which shows how ingredient obsession is growing. And now the most interesting part is some skincare trends are growing extremely fast. Like exosome treatments, 500% plus growth. Glass skin trend, which is 250% plus growth, and red light therapy, as I mentioned, is 50 to 60% per growth, which clearly shows that how trend driven is like a skincare has become. And according to the industry reports like Fortune Business Insights, skincare contributes almost 40 to 45% of the entire beauty industry, which is huge. So if you look at all of this, like people want, again, they want simple skincare.
Yes, they want simple skincare, but some trends are really in vogue. जैसे आपने बताया red light वाला in vogue है. People are opting for these trends as well. But simple is always the best.
Yes. So do you feel that over exfoliating your skin will affect our glow?
Yes, very much. Because the skin also needs to repair itself and needs to be untouched for that. अगर आप किसी चीज़ को उसके रिपेयर के टाइम पे फिर से उसको टच करोगे तो वो आधा अधूरा रिपेयर होगा.
Okay.
So I feel that you need to give it that time. I don't know what the skin renewal time is, but it is quite quick.
Yeah, so in nighttime is the best for your skin renewal.
Yes.
But then when you're consistent with your skin routine, so your skin renews faster. It helps you when you avoid the chemicals and all, and you let your skin heal without layering too much with the makeup, layering too much with the actives, unnecessary actives, then it heals faster.
So you should let your skin repair itself. So if you keep interfering with the repair processes, then it will never reach its, like, वो repair होते होते रुक जाएगा, फिर रुक जाएगा, फिर रुक जाएगा, तो it will never reach its full potential of repair.
So slugging, skin flooding and layering hacks, are these suitable for everyone?
No, not at all. I think to each their own again. One has to check out. Slugging is a bit like...
Slugging is basically sealing.
Yeah, like...
So people use petroleum jelly for sealing their skin.
Yes.
So that your hydration sticks to your skin. So when you have applied any active, you apply a petroleum jelly over it so that the hydration remains intact. And it's a seal. मतलब आपने seal कर दिया उसको. And skin flooding is that you're flooding only with the hydrations. आपने hydration serum लगा लिया जिसमें hyaluronic है. Again, you had applied a hydration cream over it. Again, you have used one more hydration cream. So you're over flooding your skin just with the hydration.
So I think it's too much, right?
Yeah, it's too much.
It's not required.
Right.
I think even if you just stick to one or two, it should be enough.
So do you think, as you already mentioned, that natural is equals to safe? And as you have traveled globally, you must have tried K-beauty, you must have tried Japanese products, skincare.
Yes.
So did you like that?
I like Japanese products.
Okay.
I also believe in the Japanese culture. They're also, some of their ingredients are based in the natural way. So yes, I like.
So what did you like about in their products? What is the best part in that?
Especially when they use rice-based.
So you like more
beauty.
of rice-based?
Yes.
Okay, products.
I truly believe in the potential of rice-based products.
So do you believe that our influencer before and after results are misleading people?
Yes, because sometimes they're just done for the reel. It's not an actual result, you know.
Yes.
So you have to be very careful and keep your guard up. Watch the reels, but do a little bit of research yourself, you know. You know, people always tell you to do a patch test.
Right.
Right? Always do a patch test for all products, for example.
But then when you see anything online and you don't have reach to that product offline, how can a person take a patch test?
So, yeah, I mean,
Because online reels, you know, attract person to buy something.
yes.
Yeah, the reels are made in such a way. So definitely to convert buying. Now, how as a lame person, I would be knowing or a person would be knowing that this is not the right product for me because you cannot do patch test online.
I guess there should be some sort of legal system, filtration system done by the online so-called, I believe कि एक online court आएगा at one point, and there'll be certain levels of filters applied. कि this is allowed. क्योंकि सब लोग, like I said, if a dermat or a cosmetologist or a skin care specialist is doing the video, you're more likely to believe them.
Believe them.
But
yes.
if it's just a once in a blue moon influencer जो अपनी बात सामने लेके आ रहा है and they are just being paid to post about a product, then you can't trust them completely. So it's a matter of trusting the right individual, you know, and that person has to have some experience and some research oriented attitude toward that product. It should not just be कि वो
निकाल दिया
एक
और
time
बोल
पे
दिया
one
उसको,
time
yeah.
हाँ.
I feel उससे भी ज़्यादा ये है कि brand should at least tell us ki what ingredients they are putting. Some when you buy certain skincare products, you'll see online कि उनका जो बैक लेबल होता है वो तो शो ही नहीं होता है, डिस्प्ले नहीं होता है. So you cannot read the ingredients, what is inside the product, which is, I think it should be must on all the sites.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a very valid point.
Yeah, because then at least you know what is there. Of course, you don't know the percentage, but at least you know what is there inside the product.
Bilkul. People are conscious now, you know. They, like you said, they look at the ingredients. But if you don't get a chance to even read the ingredients, then you never know what you're putting onto your body or, you know, applying onto your skin.
Preventive Botox in early 20s, is it overhyped or necessary?
Overhyped completely.
Yeah.
आप natural beauty के बिल्कुल मतलब the end RIP कर रहे हो by doing this. And in your 20s, मतलब I would still consider at the age of 40 or 45 or 50, क्योंकि you have that much exposed to the sun, right? Your damage is there, you have certain wrinkles, or whatever, age, hormones have affected you. And 20 is
so
too
20s
young.
में जो Botox हो रहा है basically for the lips. So now if someone as a person wants to enter into the film industry, right?
Yes.
Up now, of course, you know that, you know, you have to enhance your look. So
अब मेरे होंठ मेरे पापा से हैं, काफी मोटे हैं तो मुझे नहीं करना पड़ा, लेकिन I know there is
and
pressure.
we know many celebs who have got this done. And so what is your take on that?
Listen, I don't advocate any form of artificial procedures.
Yeah.
तो ये सब मुझे I think आप जैसे हो और आप अगर खूबसूरत हो तो आप वैसे ही रहिए. अब क्योंकि नहीं तो सबका ऐसे फिश फेस हो जाएगा, लाइक सबके ऐसे मोटे मोटे होंठ हो जाएंगे.
Ducky lips.
रोमांस भी चला जाएगा, आउट ऑफ द विंडो चला जाएगा वो, क्योंकि जब आप किसी को किस करने भी जाओगे तो उसको लगेगा वो प्लास्टिक किस कर रहा है या बोटॉक्स किस कर रहा है. तो it's going to be quite detrimental to the love and relationship statuses of people.
But then, don't you think that people don't care when it comes to their beauty? They hardly care कि ठीक है भाई, beauty पहले important है. kiss and all is a secondary thing.
People are more concerned about how they look rather
Yeah.
than their relationship nowadays. But I think it's too much. It's fake, and I don't promote any form of fakeness.
Okay, so LED mask and red light therapy are everywhere, right? So are they actually effective?
I mean, it could help with the firmness
Yeah.
of the skin slightly, and I don't know if it helps in better absorption as well. Like अगर आप कोई cream लगाते हो तो then if you apply this red light, if it helps with the absorption of the products. But I do feel, I have used it, so I do feel that there is some merit to it.
Yes, red light therapy is really good because it helps you with your fine lines, your wrinkles, and even to some extent, it takes care of your acne, your zit also. So yeah,
So I think it's a good beauty,
it's a good beauty.
trend.
And
Yeah.
even there are different lights for different skin purpose. Like you must have heard of blue light therapy, red light therapy, green light therapy.
So I've only used personally red light therapy.
Because that is more trendy. So when we talk about red light therapy, you must have seen the tools which come, red light tools.
Yes.
And even when you see उनका जो usage दिखाया जाता है by the dermats and all, I don't know, but I think पूरा educate नहीं किया जा रहा है because you are putting red light here under your eyes, and red light is not good for your eyes. The things are trending, but for everyone to have your skin glowing, it doesn't mean that you will spoil your eyes.
Bilkul, absolutely. So you have to protect yourself. And normally if we go to our dermats...
And if you see the good dermats even,
yes.
In fact, dermats never promote those tools. Those tools are being promoted by brands only. Right? So when I came across that, I thought I really need to educate audience regarding that because your eyes are really important it's an important organ, right? And when you're using red light, आपने देखा होगा, videos में कि वो बिल्कुल इधर, they are doing it. And it is red light, मतलब कोई भी type of light eyes में नहीं जानी चाहिए. That is everyone know about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
हम जब लेजर भी करवाते हैं हेयर रिमूवल के लिए फॉर एग्जांपल तो हमें हमेशा गॉगल्स पहना के रखते हैं एंड वन does not at home, nobody puts goggles on by doing red light therapy for example. So I think it's very important to educate people. Yes.
क्योंकि वरना तो we are even causing the damage. आप एक tool sell कर रहे हो but आप एक तरफ बिना किसी के health को consider करके you are damaging also. So that is very important. Again, our at home devices are safe as professional treatments. As like I talk about red light right now. So safe, but then you have to
be educated.
Yeah.
पूरी तरह से आपको knowledge होनी चाहिए कि उसके negative side effects क्या हो सकते हैं, and you should help patients get to know about it. So I'm really glad that you're at least talking about it, so people get to know on the other side कि we have to save ourselves from other damage. ऐसा नहीं कि skin के चक्कर में you get some other problem.
Right. Definitely. फिर तो ऐसा हो जाएगा कि आपने so your skin is not a shelf. Where you can take it whatever you want without taking care of the other organs of the body.
Bilkul, absolutely.
Right? So now collagen powders, biotin, glutathione, are we over consuming supplements?
I think a lot of people have started over consuming supplements. Because after a certain age, like I've always tried to eat good food, healthy, nutritious food rather than only take supplements. But, you want to have better hair. You want to have better nails. You want to have glowing skin. You want to have more tighter skin, less cellulite.
Yeah.
So biotin, collagen, marine collagen, I've tried. Personally, I've tried marine collagen for a while, for like 3 months. And then I've tried some powders like choline powders and inositol, like powders which help with regulating your hormones as well. Like I have tried certain powders.
But like, do you really know that collagen is when collagen के form में नहीं absorb होता है body में. It breaks down into amino acid. तो जब प्रोटीन ज्यादा होगा, प्रोटीन इज व्हाट, प्रोटीन भी ब्रेक डाउन होता है, अमीनो एसिड बनता है एंड देन
यूनिट फॉर्म.
तो जब आपकी बॉडी में प्रोटीन ओवरलोडेड है तो देन कोलाजन विल नेवर वर्क ऑन यू. सो पीपल डोंट नो दिस. when your body is having less protein, then only collagen work करेगा, क्योंकि तभी तो अमीनो एसिड है, ब्रेक डाउन होगा, फिर उसको पता चलेगा उसको कहाँ पे काम करना है.
जैसे जो लोग वेजिटेरियन हैं ज्यादातर, उनके कभी कभार बॉडीज में
प्रोटीन इनटेक नहीं
प्रोटीन
होता है
कम रहता है. अभी जैसे मैं नॉन वेजिटेरियन हूँ, तो मैं बहुत सारे मीट्स कंज्यूम करती हूँ, तो नॉर्मली मुझे सप्लीमेंट्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए. बस मैं कभी कभार मल्टीविटामिन ले लेती हूँ, लेकिन उसका भी अब्जॉर्प्शन पूरी तरह से बॉडी नहीं ले पाता. तो ये लोगों को ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, क्योंकि इट्स मोर ऑफ अ ब्रांडिंग रादर देन एन एक्चुअल इफेक्ट, यू नो. तो सब ले रहे हैं, हम भी लेंगे.
It's a trend which is going on.
It's a pure trend.
What I came across is there are a lot of brands. I won't name here the brand name, but that brand is promoting like glow के लिए this capsule. If you want liver detox, this capsule. If you want to remove your pigmentation, this capsule. अब now there is so much confusion online. आपने एक साथ इतनी सारी कैप्सूल निकाल दी. अब now as a lame person मैं क्या लूँ? मुझे तो पिगमेंटेशन भी सही करना है, मुझे ग्लो भी चाहिए, मुझे एंटी एजिंग पे भी वर्क करना है, एंड मुझे लिवर डिटॉक्स भी करना है, क्योंकि आप बात भी वैसे कर रहे हो कि पोल्यूशन इतना है और लिवर डिटॉक्स होना चाहिए, तो मेरे लिए तो वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
हाँ, चारों इम्पोर्टेंट है. अब
when I'll buy all 4 of them, अब the interesting part is this, when I start taking that, उसमें कुछ बेस होता है जो रिपीटेड होता है, तो मेरी बॉडी के लिए तो एक्स्ट्रा हो गया. तो now when you're even choosing supplements कि क्या बाय करना है, तो ये भी प्रॉपरली एजुकेट नहीं किया जा रहा है. इवन
गाइडेंस नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट मिलता है ऑनलाइन
के बारे में रील्स बन रही है. डर्मेट्स आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट एंड दे आर नॉट गाइडिंग कि अगर आपने ये 2 प्रोडक्ट ले लिए हैं तो यू सो देयर इज अ टाइम पीरियड. अगर मैंने फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैंने माई ड्यूटी से कुछ खरीदा है, राइट, सो देयर इज नो इंफॉर्मेशन. यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ माई ड्यूटी. सो देयर इज नो इंफॉर्मेशन कि आपने अगर पिगमेंटेशन के लिए खरीद लिया है, कोलाजन के लिए खरीद लिया है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड नाउ दे नो कि उनकी वेबसाइट से ये ऑर्डर हुआ है, कस्टमर नेम भी आ जाता है, तो दे शुड हैव कॉल्ड कस्टमर, दे शुड हैव टोल्ड देम कि आप अभी पिगमेंटेशन को 1 डे ट्रीट करो, 2nd डे यू ट्रीट एंटी एजिंग, 3rd day you take glow. You don't take all of these together
in one go. Yes.
Yeah. So now that information is missing, which I think the brands who are selling, they need to work on.
अब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आ गया है ना, तो बहुत सारे एप्स इंटरेक्शन ऑफ ऑल दीज प्रोडक्ट्स का एक हमें समाधान दे रहे हैं. आई फील के एप्स आ रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो, आई हैवंट यूज्ड एनी बिकॉज मैं बहुत कम चीज़ें इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, सो आई डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू दैट. लेकिन इफ यू आर टेकिंग सेवरल थिंग्स, व्हाट टाइम टू टेक व्हाट, when to take what,
that is okay, but then you don't know the base ingredients, na?
No, so the ingredients also would come up. What I'm trying to say is that through the artificial intelligence, if because a lot
only
of these
if the brands are putting and they're revealing it,
only if the brands are putting, but if the brands are putting, I think they should be more strict, on the regulation part, on trying to get the brands to absolutely be transparent कि हमने ये सब डाला है, ताकि overall जितने हमें interactions के बारे में पता है, वो artificial intelligence आपको एक report दे पाए कि you should, it helps. It does definitely helps.
Right. So Niharika, it was really wonderful talking to you.
Yes, same here.
And had a beautiful insight. Even for the listeners, they must have got beautiful insight from this chat show. And before we close the segment, we have some interesting fun segment to play with you.
Okay.
So Niharika, everyone is using different actives for their skin, but they don't know what is actually for what. So you have to help the listeners to create a right formulation, to choose the right formulation. So here are a few ingredients in front of you, and you have to prepare a perfect skincare recipe.
Oh my God.
So we would be giving you few skin concerns, and you have to pick few ingredients, and then you have to make it. So the first round will be acne fix. So now the concern is acne.
Right. So
So you have to prepare acne solution here.
All right.
By picking like what helps for acne.
Okay. Will you help me? Or am I supposed to do this all by myself?
I can explain you.
Yeah. So what I know is we need salicylic
Yeah,
acid
yeah.
for acne,
Yeah.
and I think we can also use glycolic acid.
Okay.
No?
Okay. You can pick it up.
And then willow bark, maybe?
Willow bark is a substitute, a plant-based version of salicylic.
Yes.
So
So-
it's really great.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's the one I've heard of. So, and I personally also feel that niacinamide and vitamin C can be used.
So niacinamide plus you can choose willow bark.
Yes.
Along with that, there is no tea tree oil, else we would have used tea tree along with that.
Okay.
Another wonderful acne recipe for.
So should I put it
Yeah,
in?
yes.
Okay. So I'm putting in willow bark, just a little bit.
Yeah.
I feel like back in my lab class. That's incredible.
So Niharika, this is your base. So water.
Okay.
So distilled water.
Yes.
So you have to take a base and then you have to mix it.
All right. So first I'll put in the base.
Yeah.
Acne solution. And I'm first going to put in my water. I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to take, for my acne solution, I'm going to be taking willow bark.
So even like if willow bark is not available, as we rarely see any product with willow bark.
It's rare, yes.
So then audience can switch to salicylic.
Salicylic.
Yeah.
So in this case, we're just going to go for the willow bark then.
Yeah.
We're not going to go for
Of
the
course,
salicylic.
of course. That is just if they are unable to find the product.
Now, I had said that I'd like to put in niacinamide
Yeah.
because I know that
It helps.
it helps a lot
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
removal of this
Yes.
pigmentation, right?
Pigmentation even helps with your acne,
Active acne.
active acne.
So this is the niacinamide. I'm putting that into my acne solution. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then
So niacinamide at from 3 to 5% works amazing.
3 to 5%.
Yeah. So if you mix it below that, then it doesn't give you results.
And do we need to put more?
No. So
This is the
Yeah.
acne solution that we've made with willow bark and niacinamide.
wow. Now you have to make a solution for dull skin.
So now I'm going to make my glow recipe, and I would like to take natural oils.
Yes, definitely.
But before that, I'm just going to add the water. That's again the base.
Yeah.
There we go. Then I'm going to add natural oils because I really believe in them. So these natural oils, maybe you can like tell us more about the natural oils.
So you can use there are a lot of natural oils, but then again in your serum when you use it, you have to make sure that your serum does not get spoiled because of the natural oils.
Okay.
Because water and oil का जो concentration होता है, you can choose essential oils in that case.
Okay.
So there are a lot of essential oils for the skin.
I believe in snail and vegan.
So generally
mucin.
जो natural oil है, kumkumadi, it is a beautiful glow oil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I use the snail or the vegan
Yeah,
mucin?
snail mucin is amazing for your
Because
glow.
I've heard that
Yeah.
it gives a good glow. Initially, I was a little skeptical about
Yeah.
snail mucin because when you think about it, you're like, what am I applying on my face? But
We
अगर
have vegan mucins also nowadays.
but अगर थूक apply कर सकते हो तो ये भी apply कर सकते
But that's not a glow recipe.
हो. Oh, it's not. So we're okay. We're still okay.
You're missing something, which...
Vitamin C.
Yeah, that's very
Yes.
important. And choosing the right kind of vitamin C is again important. There are a lot of different kinds of vitamin C in the market.
So I consume a lot of vitamin C, and I feel my glow is also attributed to that.
Yeah.
There we go. So vitamin C, my snail mucin,
Mucin.
because I am non-vegetarian,
Yeah.
and then my natural oils. That's it.
So now when you're adding vitamin C, क्योंकि vitamin C skin को dry कर देता है.
Okay.
So I would like to add some hydration to it.
Hyaluronic acid.
Yeah.
Okay. So adding this for more hydration. So we're gonna add in hyaluronic acid. Just a little bit.
So now
Hydration
Niharika had a
and-
perfect glow recipe.
Hyaluronic
which I think I should
acid.
apply it right now.
You're already glowing. You'll extra glow, but please try Dr. Niharika's like glow recipe. Ghazal is going to be my first patient. I feel awesome doing this.
That glow. Now we'll move to our third recipe. Now you have to prepare something for anti-aging.
So this is my empty anti-aging test tube. I'm going to add in the water again. Here we go. Now, I believe for anti-aging, we need a little bit of collagen.
Yeah.
So here's collagen. Just extra bit more because we really want to anti-age and stay young forever. Sweet 16. I would like to add in glutathione. Yes, no?
No.
Okay.
So it generally helps with skin brightening.
Oh, I didn't add it in the vitamin C one. Okay,
Yeah.
but doesn't matter.
Yes.
So what else can I add? What else do we have here? Alpha hydroxy acids? No. SPF?
SPF, of course, it helps you in your anti-aging, but that is basically now we're preparing a serum. So in serum, we'll not look for SPF agent.
Okay.
So retinol is a chemical version for that.
Okay.
And you can choose like what is the natural version.
Bakuchiol.
Bakuchiol, yeah.
So
Bakuchiol is basically, we get it from Bapchi plant.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you, if you must have heard of, कि जो ladies Bapchi plant पे work करती है and जो इसका extract निकालती है, Bakuchiol निकालती है, उनके hands काफी youthful होते हैं.
क्या बात है?
Yeah.
So we have got just a little bit in here. I wish I could go and join those ladies in the fields and then start applying it all over my body because I want to stay young for a long time. What else can I? Ceramides.
Ceramides, of course, it will,
Benefit?
it will repair your barrier. It protects, it acts as a barrier agent. And peptides. It's a wonderful anti-aging ingredient.
So we've got bakuchiol, peptides, we've got
But
collagen.
in peptides, there's one more thing that with copper peptides, I don't know now there are
Like the color.
variety of peptides. So with copper peptides specifically, for people who have PCOS and they already have facial hair because of the hormonal changes.
Yes.
So when you apply peptides, the facial hair increases.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Copper peptides.
Copper peptides. So now have we got the perfect
Yes,
anti-aging
perfect
solution?
anti-aging solution.
Wow. I have been truly
And I'll buy
educated
from
today.
you.
Please, I'll
You're
give this.
selling it for?
No, I'll give this to you for free. Since you are the first person who's going to attempt to take my different solutions, I'm going to give them to you for free. But you can tell others to purchase later.
Sure, Niharika.
So let me just see. I made myself a glow recipe. I made myself an anti-acne
And anti-aging, which
solution
she sold it to me.
and a anti-aging solution. She doesn't need that anti-aging though, but she looks too young. Wonderful.
So Niharika, it was really fun, no?
Yes, it was incredible, Ghazal. I mean, I can't tell you, I've never done anything like this in my life. And you took me back to my chemistry lab.
So before we close, Niharika, this is a small token of love from Skin Coffee with Ghazal and
Thank
the
you.
Forberry team for you.
Thank you.
And
This
as
is
we were
incredible.
discussing about formulations and all, so these
Yes.
are our curated formulations products.
Thank
So
you.
you can try it and let us know.
Yes, I'm going to try, especially the Japan Ritual Scrub, which is the fermented rice scrub. I'm looking forward to trying that one. It looks really awesome.
And this is for a beautiful lady.
Yes.
We have curated this specifically for you.
This is for me.
Yeah.
This is for me.
Yes.
I thought it was oh, that's so beautiful. I will put this in my house. I'm buying my house. I'm
Yeah.
building my house, and so I'm a little royal, and I like all those things. Thank you.
Welcome.
That's so sweet of you. That's really nice. Oh, I'm very happy to have come here.
So Niharika, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ghazal. All the best for your future.
Thank
You deserve the best.
So GlowFam, today's conversation makes one thing very clear. We are not lacking products, we are lacking understanding. Skincare is not about doing more. It's about doing what's right for your skin. And to everyone watching, before adding another product to your routine, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or am I just following a trend? If this conversation resonated with you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Glow with Ghazal. Until next time, stay real, stay aware and keep glowing.